In this lesson, let's learn how to use the WAITFOR command. So how do you use the WAITFOR command? Well, there's two main ways. The first is you can use WAITFOR to wait for a specific amount of time. Or we can use WAITFOR to delay or wait for so many seconds to elapse. Now, why would we want to do this? The reason we do this is to actually block the execution of the stored procedure or have it wait until we can execute the next command. The idea is that you put a WAITFOR command into your stored procedure, and when that command runs, that is the WAITFOR command, execution rests on that command and will not proceed until either a specified time occurs, that's when you wait for time, or a certain amount of time has elapsed. That's like wait for a delay. If we're waiting for 10 seconds, then wait for a delay of 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bam! Now we can move on and execute the next command. So it's a very handy command to help pace, or if you know that at midnight you need to kick off another job, you can do that, and you don't want to use Job Scheduler. So let's go in and look at some examples and get a feel for how to use WAITFOR.